Hello, good to see you. I'm from Atomy Home Appliances, Ko Seung-woo. I'm the team leader of our department, and I want to talk about full bidets, and also the history and why we need to have it, and the market share, and our main function. And I want to talk about the history of the full bidets. And as you know, because of the sewage disposal method in UK government, and I will start my presentation about that. And as you know, that our toilet system is different. So once again, this is the sewage disposal method. In 1847, the UK government, and after they declared that the new way of the toilet and the sewage, the method has been changed, and that is the modern style that we use it. That was from 1970s. And there are three elements in human lives which are very important: to sleep well, and also to go to restroom, and also about 1.5 million people will have the disease. And the providing one of the best toilets and the method for sewage is very important, and this is against the waterborne disease. And bidet, the term came from the Europe, and after using the restroom and using the water pressure and to use that, that is called bidet. And the electric bidet that we use, and there are a lot of the development were made in Japan, and automatic washable function and heating control function was added in Japan. And after the be aware of hygiene and bidet market start to have more, and in 2020 about a lot of the money were into the market share, and also more than 80% of the bidet provide rate was in Japan. And after COVID-19, and the COVID-19 has been still going on, a lot of the people from America start to buy more and more, and all the maker and one of the main brand, the bidet makers, and their sales has been increasing more and more. And inside of the Korean market, about 1.5 million bidet market had been established and was being made. And using the bidet, and there are some of the wrinkles of the using bidet. And you can see the using the tissue or the napkin, and there are some of the bacteria and some of the things could be remained. And because of the smell and bacteria issue, you need to use bidet, and that's what our marketing strategy that we have been using, and it will reduce the disease, the waterborne disease that I had mentioned before, and you have to eat well and use a restroom well. And all the bidet products are not the same. Abundance in water pressure and abundance in the heating control function. This is very important, and we are all about absolute quality and price. And our full bidet, when we launch this full bidet, this is going to be absolute quality, and the main priority that we pay attention to is water pressure function. And you can see the video. This is the regular water pressure function, and the second, that is the pattern of the water pressure pattern having function. Can you see the difference? As you can see, the second video is clearly the water pressure is higher, and you can feel and have more water pressure function. And you need to have the water pressure pump. And once again, we have the pattern about water pressure pump. And as water pressure goes up, and is it hurtful? No, it's not. And we also put the air, and we put the air plus function. And there are water pressure pump and air plus function. And the water pressure will be very smooth. And that is the 3D model of our full bidet. As you can see our image, the air plus structure is applied, and there is a tank, the back of the full bidet, and also you can see the water pressure pump. And today, Atomy's full bidet and water pressure and also the patent technology. And next time, I will talk about more details, and please be aware of our full bidet. And from now on, and please pay attention and be aware of full bidet. Thank you for listening. See you next time.